Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the theme of Clover bootloader. Guys, I installed Clover bootloader on my system. If you don't know how to install Clover bootloader, then check the card here. So guys, this is my Windows 11 and Clover bootloader is installed on my system. Now let me show you Clover bootloader installed or not. So I'm gonna boot my system into the boot option. So wait. So guys, as you can see, entry of Clover bootloader, its main Clover bootloader is installed on my system. Now let me open the Clover bootloader. So guys, this is the default theme of Clover bootloader. I'm gonna change this. So let me boot my system into Windows. So wait. Now my system is booted into the Windows. Guys, you need to download these two files. I will provide the direct link of these files in the description box. Download this file and you need to extract this Clover themes file. So extract it. File is now extracted. So guys, this file contains multiple themes. You can choose any theme you want, but I'm gonna choose Catalina. Guys, first you need to open CMD and hit enter. It will open the command prompt, and in CMD type diskpart DISKPRT and hit enter. It will open the command prompt of diskpart. So you can minimize this, and in this command prompt type list disk to show the available disk on your system. So as you can see, these are only two disks available on my system, and disk 0 is the disk where I installed my Windows 11. So type select disk 0 and hit enter, and type list volume to show the volumes. And guys, volume 1 is the volume where bootloader is installed. So let me select this, type volume 1 and hit enter. Now you need to assign any letter to this drive. So type assign letter equals to anything you want, R, and hit enter. Now you can close this and open Explorer++. So run this Explorer++ as administrator and hit enter. It will open the Explorer++. And now guys, we have the local R disk. It means you can access this disk, but guys, you cannot access this disk in the normal file manager. If you try to open this, then it will throw a warning, you cannot access permission. Let me show you. So guys, if I'm trying to open it, then it says you don't have permission to access this. So we cannot open this in normal file manager. That's why we installed Explorer++. Now guys, this is the Clover folder. Open it, and here we have themes. So guys, we need to copy any theme you want, but I'm gonna choose Catalina. So let me open theme folder, and here Catalina. So guys, this is the Catalina 4K. I'm gonna copy this and paste this into the Clover themes folder. So let me paste it. Theme is now copied. Now go back, and here we have the configuration.plist file. Here you need to open it. Open this file in Notepad, and here search for themes. So guys, this is the theme. Here we have to replace embedded with the theme folder name. So I'm gonna copy the theme folder name. I'm gonna copy from here, and now you need to replace this with embedded, and press Ctrl S to save the changes. And now you can close this, and it's time to restart the computer. So I'm gonna restart my PC. So wait until it will boot into the bootloader. So guys, Boom, as you can see, theme is now changes to Catalina, and here we have all the options as we can see in the default theme. Here we have Windows and Ubuntu option, and you can choose Clover boot options from here and press return and hit enter to go back, and here we have all the options. By this way you can change the theme. Now let me show you how you can change another theme. So I'm gonna boot my computer into Windows again. Now guys, I'm gonna add another theme to this Clover bootloader. So let me copy another theme from the themes folder. It's time. I'm gonna choose black theme, so I'm gonna copy it and paste in the theme folder. Theme is now copied. Go back and here open info config.plist again and open it in notepad. Open this in notepad, and here we need to replace Catalina 4K to black. So I'm gonna search for theme again, and here we have Catalina. Now I'm gonna replace this black and Ctrl S to save the changes. Now I am gonna restart my computer again to show you the changes. So wait, I'm gonna restart it. So guys, as you can see, theme is now changed to black. So by this way you can change the theme of Clover bootloader. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.